Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing and loading the cartridge so the work moves fast and clean. Start by cleaning the joint thoroughly. Once dry, insert the cartridge into the gun and cut the nozzle at a 45 degrees angle for a 3/6 mm bead. Puncture the inner seal and set your gun to a smooth, even trigger pull. Practice on cardboard to get consistent pressure. This eliminates sputtering and gives you a predictable bead size. Keep a rag and solvent handy to wipe immediate mistakes. You apply the silicone with a steady motion to create a uniform, bondable bead. Hold the gun at a 45 degrees angle and squeeze with even pressure while moving the gun at a constant pace. Too slow gives blobs, too fast creates gaps. Once done along the length, tool the bead immediately. Dip your finger in soapy water or use a rounded tooling tool to compress and smooth the seal for adhesion and finish. Make sure to remove excess and clean edges before skin forms. You finish by letting the silicone cure properly and checking for issues as it sets. Keep the area ventilated and avoid disturbing the bead for 24-48 hours. This ensures full cross-linking and a watertight seal. If you see gaps or poor adhesion once tacky, remove the failed section, clean the substrate, and reapply rather than trying to smooth over a bad bond. If runs or sticky residue appear, clean with an appropriate solvent before skin forms. After curing, mechanical removal is necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.